In this video, I'll show you how to transform basic shapes into authentic looking pin badge designs in Adobe Photoshop. I'm Jeremy from the Artifacts Forge and I'm going to use Photoshop styles to transform these basic shapes in seconds. Let's get started. I've saved each design element onto its own layer. And to transform one, I'm simply going to select an object on the Layers tab and then click a Styles panel icon. There are three types of outline styles included: flat, round and sharp, and each is supplied in a large range of colours. I'm going to settle on the metallic silver colour for the outline. There are also a set of fill styles designed to be used for the central parts of the design, and I'm demonstrating some of these now. Each style is made using a number of effects: a bevel and emboss, a gradient overlay, and a pattern overlay which gives the style its authentic texture. Double-click the effects icon to edit these effects. The bevel and emboss can be exaggerated to make it deeper. The gradient overlay can be exaggerated to give it more depth. And the pattern overlay can be resized. I'm applying more outline styles to the rest of the design. And subtly adjusting the effects to suit. As a final step, I'm adding a drop shadow to the entire design for greater depth. As I mentioned, the styles come in a range of colours, but if you want to make your own colour changes, simply add an adjustment layer. These can be applied to individual layers too. Want to create your own authentic pin badge designs in Photoshop? Then visit artifactsforge.com and download our Pin Pals badge creator now. You can save 20% with the offer code TUBE20. If you enjoyed the tutorial, be sure to follow our channel and check out the other tutorials. Thanks for watching.